Hello everyone, welcome to Bioscient once again. I was discussing about the biological classification in my previous lecture. Today I am going to give you a crisp idea about the kingdom Animalia. We have discussed about the 5 kingdom classification. We'll be dealing in details about that, but today I am giving you a flow chart to memorize it easily about the simple organisms and how they became complicated in due course of time. So let's get started. We have a flow chart here in front of you where it is kingdom Animalia. We have read that there was a short trick like how to memorize kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. So that is there in my previous video. You can go and check it out. In this video, I'm telling you about this flow chart where kingdom Animalia is divided into 2 subkingdoms. It's a very simple thing how to memorize. So broader classification, protozoa and metazoa. You have studied protozoa in kingdom Protista. Here in earlier classification it was there in in kingdom Animalia. Then we comes to study about the metazoa, which is further classified into parazoa and eumetazoa. Parazoa, this is the first phylum which we officially study under kingdom Animalia, that is Porifera. I will be explaining about each of them in details. Then we have Nigeria and Ctenophora. You must be wondering what is this radiata and bilateria. I'll be telling about these terms, how to classify the organism using this technique. So radiata is about the symmetry where the organism are radially symmetrical, and bilaterally symmetrical means it can have one plane of division. So now after that we classify them on the basis of the development, embryonic development, and it is protostomia and deuterostomia. If you know the meaning of these two words, just let me know, otherwise I will be explaining you. Then we have got this Porifera is the first one, then Nidaria, which is also called as Coelenterata, then we have Ctenophora, Platyhelminths, which is the most common organism of this phylum, is flatworms. You must be aware of this. And Aschelminths, which is also known as Nemathelminths or Nematoda. The most common example of Aschelminths is roundworm. Then we have got Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca. These are the organism which we have read till now. Now the Deuterostomia, which is further having 3 phylums. Here we will be studying about the Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. It would be nice if you write something in this format where you make a flowchart, and after memorizing the examples, this is like a homework kind of thing where you just make a flowchart and write one example. That would be really beneficial for you to memorize the names of the organism which is most common one, like Echinodermata, spiny skins they have, so you can just memorize it like that. Then we have got Chordata, further classified into Chordata are further classified into protochordates, primitive chordates, protochordata and vertebrata. Protochordate, they are further classified into Urochordates. Urochordates means what? Urochordata and Cephalochordata. I am just telling you the flow chart. We will be discussing in details about all these further. Then we have vertebrata, which is further of 2 types. One is agnatha. They are jawless. They do not have jaw, where we place cyclostomata. And we have gnathostomata. They have jaw, Gnathostomata. And here it is further classified into Pisces, that is fishes, which is of two types, the bony fish and the cartilaginous fish. And then we have tetrapoda. Tetrapoda. Here we have got amphibia, amphibia. Then we have reptilia, reptilia. Then we have got apes, and of course we have here mammalia. Once again, I am repeating, we have read about the kingdom Animalia, which is classified into protozoa and metazoa. Metazoa is further classified into parazoa and eumetazoa. Parazoa, where we study about the porifera, and eumetazoa, we have two phylums, Nigeria and Ctenophora. In protostomia, and we have platyhelminths, aschelminths, Annelida, arthropoda, and mollusca. Then we have got echinodermata, hemichordata, and chordata in deuterostomia. Just let me know what is deuterostomia. If you don't know, I'll be explaining you in the further videos. Then we have got chordata. Chordata, here all vertebrates are chordates. Mind this statement. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. It is not replaced by the vertebral column, the notochord. Here, protochordata, where the tail region is well developed. In this chordata, we call it urochordate. When it is present in the brain region, we call it cephalochordata. Vertebrates are further divided into agnatha and gnathostomata. Agnatha are jawless organisms, and gnathostomata we divide it into Pisces and tetrapoda. Pisces fishes, which is of two types, the bony fish and the cartilaginous fish, and tetrapoda having four limbs, amphibia, reptilia, apes, and mammalia. I hope this short video will help you a lot how to memorize this classification of kingdom Animalia, and we will be continuing further. Like, for more such kind of videos, stay tuned to Bioscience. Thank you for all your support till now. Thank you.